What's up, Dave?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. You know what I'm going to do to you today? I am going to hello world you. Let's do some hello worlding just for fun, right?
Chris, I mean, we've known each other for so long.
Here's one I just had bookmarked, right? And I didn't know what to do with it. I'll probably write a post about it, but who knows? I don't even know how new it is. I don't know who wrote it. I have no idea. I just bookmarked it, you know? Tonic framework.dev. Okay, let's hello world it. CodePen. I know this kind of turned into the CodePen show a little bit, didn't it? But sometimes it's just a useful tool, isn't it?
And that's fine if CodePen wants to sponsor the show.
It's fine. It's just pay for the bandwidth. So here's an import sucker. Boom.
Okay.
That doesn't work on CodePen, right? So it says, "Oh, we'll make it a SkyPack URL for you."
Oh my God, really?
Oh,
I've been doing this the dumb way, where I
we
go
just
out
help
to
you out.
SkyPack and Google crap and then come back. Okay, this is great.
So there's a class, but it doesn't do anything. So you got to call the class, and then presumably my greeting turns into my greeting. Okay, fine. Hello world. That worked. Sweet.
We did it.
I'm just obsessed with centering things.
You can do that. It's your website.
Yeah. Okay. So that's we hello worlded that. The idea is it's a web component thing then, clearly, because that's what that is,
right? Okay.
And then you get the syntactic sugar of a template literal
Kind of a
that you can convert.
JSX-y kind of vibe, yeah.
Yeah. So what about props? Yeah.
Next one. There it
Let's
is.
put the name prop then. Name world. So I want to use world here. Do you think it's as easy as just naming it? I don't know. I didn't actually read.
Okay.
Name. Oh, you got to use it like
in a.
no.
Oh.
How do you use it in the? Oh, this dot props dot. Okay. Oh, but it's like has a weird dollar sign. How did it work? So you got to go like that because it's a template literal.
Template literal. Okay.
This dot props dot name. Is that gonna work?
That's what I thought. But
yeah, nice. All
okay.
right. So let's do a counter because you got to do that.
Yep.
Button,
Let's count.
button, and then it won't be a prop. It'll be state, right? Fine state. This state is just a plain JavaScript object on Tonic. This dot state dot color. So where do you like instantiate the state?
In the greeting, like in my greeting, like right above that, you'd say like this dot state dot.
You can't do this dot in a class.
Oh yeah, well, probably hates it. Where does it want it then?
I guess this dot state dot counter.
Okay.
I guess
template literal the counter out.
Yeah. Counter. Is that gonna work?
Oh, do you need to do state dot counter?
Oh yeah.
Or this dot state dot counter?
Duh. Right? What's bad about
that? That's what I thought it would do, but
it has no ID. Huh, weird. Okay, I'll give you an ID. ID equals app.
Okay, so it has to apply the state to an app. Oh, well.
Weird. Look at the float thing.
Huh. Okay.
Whatever. Can we like toString it or something?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it just gets easier. That's okay.
I guess so. But then how do you increment
this
it?
is kind of funny. You just guess like all to string. Yeah. Okay.
How do you change it then?
This is a good question. I mean, can you do like events? Is there
dot state dot count? How do you do the click? Is in there click. Oh, it's a whole. You literally have to go like this.
Okay.
And then. All right.
This dot state dot counter plus maybe. Just try that.
Yeah, but click on what?
Oh, because it would be in the. You need a whole. Button.
I have a demo open that I'm looking at, it looks like you have to see about the target. You have to do that. So
Okay.
that's weird, but okay. So if the target matches a button, then you can increment it.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. No.
Or not.
E is not defined because it needs.
You need to put it on the click E.
Oh,
yeah. There you go. Okay, we did it. We didn't do it.
Oh, but because you know why though? Because look, state again.
Okay.
Where's the state thing? Do we have to go up to find it? Conditionals. This is what I saw. Setting the state will not cause a component to re-render. So how do you re-render? Oh, yeah.
This
okay,
dot
cool.
render.
Yeah, got it.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's okay. I think that's kind of a web component-y thing. Like you need to.
Why doesn't it work?
I don't know. Is console telling us anything? Hello, console? Console?
No errors. It's
We're
pretty
perfect
close
then.
though, isn't it? Render. You know what I bet it is that it re-renders and then it sets this counter to nothing.
Aha. Yeah.
Okay, so let's do like if. So how would you check if it's not defined? Type of it.
I wonder, can you go to the click documentation and see if there's another lifecycle hook like setup or something or
Oh yeah, like can you put it in the constructor?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Good idea.
That's kind of where we do it in lit and stuff. And then you'd set that and then kill that.
Do you have to return?
Or
Yeah. That should work, right?
let's say
Constructor's
that
a perfectly nice place for that.
Oh, you have to call super and not constructor.
Fine.
Weird it doesn't do that by itself, right?
Hey!
We solved JavaScript. So once you can increment a button, you know what to do. That's wonderful.
Okay. Well, you mentioned lit. Let's do it in lit and see if lit. What is it? Lit dev, lit HTML.
Yeah.
Let's do it in lit and see if
Yeah.
let's hello world.
We're now in lit 2 just came out. So
Oh, is this lit too?
yeah,
Well,
lit 2
This is pretty
out.
close already.
Yeah, we're like 90% there. So
You know, you can do pen.new.
really? God, I'm learning so much today. I use CodePen every day.
So it's going to do the
Stinking
thing,
life.
right?
Yeah.
Replace.
Go to SkyPack. Oh, that's such a beautiful thing.
All right, we don't need to export it because that's not useful. We don't need to style it because I don't care about that right now.
Mm-hmm.
We already have name, which is cool. So hello this dot name. Why was this here? Like it's just that's a default prop, I guess.
I think it's gonna change hello to somebody. Hello somebody.
And then simple greeting. You got to have it right in your HTML. Is that
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was easy.
That was pretty.
But we
easy.
want to props it though, because that
Mhm.
was part of the deal. How do you props in lit?
Just that way.
Oh look,
Yeah.
that's it. You don't have to like.
No, just do that. I mean, like the
Oh,
limitation.
and look at it worked. Holy crap,
like,
we did
The
nothing.
limitation there would be like passing like a object or something might get weird with HTML, but I think that even works. But
Oh yeah, I bet it does. You know, like,
So, like-
I don't. It works in petite-vue, right? Let's do that one next. All right. Why did I screw that up? Oh, because I didn't put world there anymore.
put world and then our. Did you want to yoink the button?
I don't want to yoink the button.
Button.
How do you do state and lit?
So this dot name. I think you can just do this dot counter.
Where?
Under constructor.
In the constructor. This dot counter equals 0. But it's probably a property, but not really because we don't need it as a
be
prop.
something you pass in, yeah, and then
So you can just template literal it here to this dot counter.
This dot counter.
And then how do you do?
And then so this has the view like thing, so you can do @click
click
equals this dot click handler or whatever.
This dot, like increment or something.
Yeah, whatever you want to do on that. So
and then what? Like increment
then
is
increment.
Okay.
And then you'd say this dot counter plus plus.
Is that it?
I think this is it. No, I messed up.
This dot increment.
Parentheses on the end of that guy, maybe.
Oh, like
might be
call
picky
it
about that. Might be picky. I don't know. Because it's like, hey, well, that seems stupid.
No, it doesn't want that.
Let's see. Now
Hmm.
I'm embarrassed. So.
Well, you were helping for a minute. Maybe it. I think it does need to be a thing. Like, are you sure counter doesn't?
Okay, you try it. Here,
It's
reactive properties. Oh yeah, it says it's putting it in properties. So, okay, they're doing like private counter.
Yeah.
It's in lit dev here. If you go over to the lit docs,
0 private counter.
Yeah, so instead of like static,
so you don't put it there. You say private.
Yeah, they have like a at state directive. That's kind of weird, right? But
what am I? What are you looking at? Reactive properties.
Reactive
Is that what they call them?
That's the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So constructor, this counter.
Oh, state true. There you go. It is in static.
Oh, we were there. So
you say counter 0. Counter is. How do they do it?
State true, and then you knit it in the constructor, which we're doing. So now try.
Oh.
Hey,
we solved JavaScript again.
We solved 2 JavaScripts so far.
Okay. All right, let's do it in petite-vue, and then we're done.
Okay.
Elastic on Global is coming up real soon. It's October 5th through 7th. So go to elastic.co/shop talk. That'll get you where you need to go. Go ahead and hit that register button and go because it's free. You might as well. Elastic is a great company makes all kinds of great products, and they're throwing this big, huge conference. The website for it is really nice. Let's say you're interested in site search. I know I am on Elasticsearch, and I care about security. Look at all the sessions that you can go to for free to expand your mind and learn all about it. Or check out the speakers page. This is a huge conference, 90 sessions, just speaker after speaker after speaker. This is going to be an awesome event. Register, it's free. Go elastic.co/shop talk. Pen.new. We'll do. Here's the docs. I saw the way you did it. We just did petite-vue the other day. You put the script tag in the head. Because I think I want to do it that way because I don't want to I like the idea that we could just do it in HTML and not use write any JavaScript. So we'll do that. So we don't need JavaScript. We're going to just do a div and then v scope it. And then you can syntax exactly. Is it equals
curlies? Yep.
Oh, but you gotta do that, right?
Yeah,
it's HTML. And then you do name is world,
and then
counter is 0. Get out of here. That's it.
:0, but
messing with me. This Emmett. That's a bug on CodePen's part there.
Emmett, probably really hates.
That's just a weird syntax there. Yeah. Okay, but then we go hello
name.
So that'll be world right off the bat, right? You know what I did a minute ago when I was playing with this? What is that, Dave?
I
was playing with this the other day after you showed me it, and I typed that instead of this. And I was like, where on earth are you getting the word CodePen just by changing that one character? That
I don't know. That's actually maybe a bug mind. Or voodoo. I don't know.
I don't know either. But.
Yeah.
So we know that, and then we can do counter. Counter. Is it double braces? It is.
Yep.
Right?
It's working. And then you just say @ click counter ++.
This is obviously the winner. Look at how simple that was.
Yep.
Come on. That's crazy. Look at how much more verbose it was here. I mean, I'm sure there's lots of nuance and crap here because this is a little more JavaScript-y. You know, you can be abstract in what you're doing here, but petite-vue supports that style too. It's just for this.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
This is clearly winning the Hello World demo. And this is Tonic, which was really weird with the re-rendering, and this is particularly weird.
But I think it was only 3 KB or something. Is that what it said on the site?
Yeah, is it super tiny? 350 lines of code. When I bookmarked it, what it showed me off was this examples that they have all these examples that make it look like Bootstrap, not Bootstrap, but like you know the accordion and there's a million of them. The badge, there's a lot.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, okay.
But it's like they wrote them. They don't. They're not giving you these. So I was like, how does this work? And I was like, oh, let me just steal your, because I was gonna play with this. I'll just steal your bundle, And the bundle is 2 megabytes.
Well, that's different than maybe 350 very long lines of code.
But look at this. There's some base 64 images and crap in here.
Somebody has put in, yeah.
So that's not indicative of the framework. But I was like, if you're going to build this demos page, why not? Like, if you built the accordion, then give me the accordion too.
Yeah.
You can't get your hands on this code. Like, this is not, you can't just use this with Tonic.
It's missing the interactions. So
yeah, and styles and everything.
Interesting. Yeah.
Anyway, it looks okay. It's just, I don't know. Are you compelled by it necessarily? I think it's okay.
I like the size. I like that it does have like a event system. I think like an event handling system. It was a little weird, a little different, but I like it. Also one thing we're saying is like, to implement the Vue one, you need to know about v-scope and all this stuff, right? Like you need to know how all that works. You need to know.
Yeah.
So like the distributive quality of it is kind of, somebody has to know how it works, right? And then the lit stuff is like, and Tonic, you can just use my greeting and it'll render out. You just write HTML with properties and you get the component. With the Vue stuff, you kind of have to, it's more like you have to write all the DOM yourself. And then, in a Hello World, it's not very complicated code, but in a full, like, complex thing, it's going to be a lot of stuff. So 1.3 KB delivered. Wow.
Where?
Or wait. Oh, I'm looking.
But I'm not exactly.
5.1?
My extensions are
Okay.
crap in here.
Yeah.
Tonic. Is that what we're looking at? Yeah, Tonic.
Yeah, 5.1 maybe. So
yeah. What is this crap? This is just some extension. Oh yeah, you can tell. See Chrome extension. It's just these two combined, and one of them is because it went through SkyPack quick.
Yeah.
So it's like 5K over the wire, and then I'm sure they put 3K because of gzip and whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, lit is certainly bigger, right? Lit is pretty small too.
Yeah, because you're
HTML.
pulling in. Yeah, you're using you have all the CSS stuff that you're not actually using, but
yeah. Why isn't there a button that says "Don't show me Chrome extensions"? Like I don't care about Chrome extensions.
So nice. Just ignore them when I open this or something. I don't know.
Yeah, is there an ignore button or something? Apparently not.
No.
But it's still pretty small. They're pretty comparable.
Yeah.
Yeah, and petite-vue is about the same size too. So we're honing in on that 5 KB for an interactive library thing.
I think that's cool, and I think there's a lot of power there. I think somebody had said about lit and Vue. The more you use it, the more returns you get. So if you have one lit component, you're assuming all the costs of lit. But if you have 100 lit components, that 5 kilobytes of lit is a one-time penalty. So, and all those components leverage that. But, maybe, I don't know, maybe we get a Vue cut of lit or something. That'd be cool.